Storing data like sensitive API keys, password, certificates is super important in CI/CD workflows. We allow you to do that by using secrets. Now, you can define secrets in a tier structured way, which means you can define them either on an organization level or on a per project level basis. So let's check out how we can add secrets to our project. Now let's add a new secret to our organization. We can add it by clicking on the new secret button. Maybe we'll add the open weather API keys. And you can also optionally add a description if you want to add some context, but here you specify basically the variables. These are the variables that are then used in your jobs. So you can either add environment variables or you can also add configuration files as well. Now down below you can also set up the access policy for this organization level secret. Now you can either use this secret globally in all of your projects, or you can just specify the projects that can use this secret. So you can easily whitelist which projects can use this secret. You can also specify debug sessions. So can people start the debug session with this secret? Or you can also specify if people can attach jobs to use this secret. So we just click on Save Secret, and that's it for adding secrets. Now here you also get an overview of which secrets are used in your organization globally on this dashboard, which is super useful. Now let's check out how to add a secret to a project. Now to add a secret to a project, the process is basically the same. So you can go into projects and open one of your projects and go into settings and then go into the secrets tab. Now this is now on a per project level basis. Now over here you can see that I already have a few secrets in my project. So this AWS key here, and I can also see the organization secrets that are available to this project as well. This gives you like an overview of which secrets you can use in this project. Now let's see how we can actually include the secret in our workflow. Now to include secrets, just go into Edit Workflow mode and just pick the branch that you are currently using. And then what you need to do is just go into the secrets tab over here, and you can decide which secrets you want to include. So for instance, I want to include AWS and Mixpanel Analytics. And then you can just save the configuration. You can see it's really easy to set up secrets in Semaphore, and you can set them up either on an organizational level or on a per project level basis. This allows you to set up a tier level structure. So make sure you check this feature out and make sure you also sign up